Hi everyone, welcome back to Think of Mind. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a graph in Google Slides step by step. Whether you're creating a presentation for school, work, or a project, adding a graph is a great way to present data clearly and professionally. Don't worry if you've never done it before. Just follow along with me and you'll be able to create and customize a graph in just a few minutes. Before we get started, please like this video, subscribe to the Think of Mind channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tutorials. Now, let's get started.
Step 1. Open your presentation in Google Slides and move to the slide where you want to add the graph. Google Slides is a web-based presentation tool from Google, and selecting the correct slide first helps you place the graph exactly where you want it in your presentation. Step 2. Click on Insert from the top menu, then select Chart and choose the type of graph you want, such as bar, column, line, or pie. This option allows you to quickly add a visual chart, which is useful for presenting numbers, comparisons, and data clearly to your audience. Step 3. After the chart appears on the slide, click the link icon on the chart and select Open Source to edit the data. This option connects the chart with its original data file so you can easily change the numbers or labels used in the graph. Step 4. The chart data will open in Google Sheets, which is Google's spreadsheet tool used to organize and edit data. Here, you can replace the sample data with your own numbers and labels to represent the information you want to show in the graph. Step 5. Return to Google Slides and click the Update button on the chart to apply the changes and display your new graph. This step refreshes the chart and ensures the graph in your slide shows the updated data from Google Sheets. Thank you for watching.